Programming your 2004 Chevy Tahoe key fob at home is a simple process that doesn't require a dealership visit. Here's what your key fob looks like. It transmits a radio frequency signal to sync with your vehicle's system. First, insert your key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Next, rapidly cycle the ignition from off to on position 5 to 7 times within 10 seconds. Leave it in the on position. Immediately press and hold the lock button on the key fob. If successful, the doors should lock and unlock, or you'll hear a horn chirp confirming the pairing. This method syncs the fob's radio frequency signal with the vehicle's body control module through the factory diagnostics mode. If it doesn't work the first time, repeat the process carefully, paying close attention to the timing. If you're having trouble programming your key fob, first ensure the key fob battery is fresh. A weak battery can prevent the signal from reaching the vehicle. Second, minimize interference from other electronic devices during the programming process. If the programming sequence doesn't initiate, double-check the timing of your ignition cycles. Speed and accuracy are key. Aftermarket key fobs are available on sites like Amazon and eBay for $20 to $50. Aftermarket sellers sometimes provide QR codes linking to pairing tutorials. Also consider that older systems like the Tahoes are vulnerable, prompting aftermarket upgrades. Remember that only one fob is paired at a time, and reprogramming clears the old codes.